Hello everyone, you're on the pick of the week, and today we're going to consider trigonometry. Try to solve that. Grab your pen, grab your notes, and let's get started. So before, I want to just say that on a weekly basis you can have a chance to solve 5-minute problem, so it takes not more than 5 minutes normally, and here is one of them that I decided to pick up for today. Alright, so this is a right angle triangle here with one leg of 10 centimeters, so the bottom part is shown in figure. It's inscribed in the rectangle, so rectangle is the big shape around. So find the perimeter of rectangle. So first of all, what does mean inscribed in the rectangle? Means that triangle will have 3 touching points and they're common. So as you can see here on the picture, so it's there, here, and here. So all 3 points corresponding to the vertices. So how to find perimeter? Let's go straight to the points, and we first drop the formula for the perimeter. So we need to know the sides. So let's set up y for the vertical side and x for horizontal side of rectangle. So as I drop here. So the formula for the perimeter is the sum of sides, and you just double that. So first of all, we need to find x and y. So in which way we're going to do this? Of course, we need to use trigonometry somehow to get consequently through the triangles to the side x and y. So angle 30 degrees. So what it tells you if you construct a small triangle, for example like this, and you have just the angle of 30, let's say here, so angle of 30 degrees, and you have this hypotenuse c. So the opposite side is simply c over 2. Why? Just remember trigonometry. So if you multiply hypotenuse by sine of 30, you'll arrive to opposite side. So that's opposite side by definition. And because sine of 30 is 1 over 2, you'll get c times 1 over 2, c over 2. So we are going to use this property right here. Okay, so we have 10. That's exactly opposed to 30. So what it means? It means that hypotenuse that I'm going to put right here, so from there to there, is going to be twice more. So that's why this side is simply 20 centimeters. Okay, so we've got that side. How to calculate y? Again, we're going to triangle, let's mark as 1. And from the triangle 1, we can figure out y. So from triangle y, 1 is what we can pick, that y is the adjacent side. So it's simply 20 times hypotenuse times cos of 30 degrees. Cos of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. So that's why we'll get 10 square root of 3. So we found y. Let's get back to x. So x is right there and also on the top. So that's why I put the pink segment on top, which is actually corresponding to x. This is also x. Opposite side and rectangle is the same. And here, so 90 degrees angle. So if we mark this triangle as number 2, how to figure out x? We need to know, again, I just use the green line segment. Here, we need to know that side. Okay, how to know that side? We can use trigonometry, and from the triangle 3 that I marked that's with green sides, we can figure out that side that adjacent to 30 degrees. So I mark as side A. This is the green one. It's right here. So side A is simply adjacent side. So this is adjacent. So that's why what we need to do, we just simply need to 20 multiplied by cos 30. And that will be equivalent to what we have here, 10 square root of 3 Perfect. Now we know A, and we need to find again adjacent side, but using triangle 2. So from triangle 2, we can figure out side x immediately. This is again adjacent, the same angle 30, so that's why it is simply A times cos 30. That means A, we recently calculated, is tan square root of 3. So multiplying by cos 30, that means square root of 3 over 2. And finally, we'll get 5 times 3, which is 15. So we've got that 15 centimeters stays for x, and for y, we've got tan square root of 3. So just use them now. So side x is 15 centimeters that we recently found, and y is tan square root of 3 centimeters. Now we can plug that into the formula for the perimeter and just simply write the final answer for our question. So it's 2 times 15 plus tan square root of 3. So you can even factorize 5 from both sides, so you'll get tan 3 plus square root of 3, and that's the final answer for your question. Okay, so I hope you like that. That was pretty fast and pretty quick. So we used several times trigonometry, and also we used that fact. So make sure you remember that, or just try not to memorize, use normal trigonometry, and you'll find that. That was Daniel Dallas, Pick of the Week. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you later.